Welcome to the exciting world of dropshipping. Imagine this. You sell products online without holding any inventory. That's the beauty of dropshipping. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs like you. With dropshipping, you act as the middleman, connecting customers with suppliers who handle the rest. No more packing boxes or managing a warehouse. You focus on what matters most: marketing, customer service, and growing your brand. Dropshipping offers incredible flexibility. Work from anywhere with an internet connection, set your own hours, and be your own boss. This business model is booming. More and more people are choosing to shop online, making dropshipping a lucrative opportunity. You can tap into this growing market and build a successful business from the comfort of your home. Ready to get started? This comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to launch and scale your very own dropshipping empire. Let's turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. Starting any business comes with its own set of hurdles, and dropshipping is no exception. One common challenge is information overload. With countless resources available online, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and lost in a sea of conflicting advice. Another obstacle is the fear of failure. It's natural to have doubts, but don't let fear paralyze you. Remember, every successful entrepreneur started somewhere. They faced challenges head-on and learned from their mistakes. Competition is another factor to consider. The dropshipping landscape is becoming increasingly competitive. However, this shouldn't discourage you. Instead, see it as an opportunity to differentiate yourself and carve out your unique niche. The key to overcoming these challenges is to stay focused, be patient, and never stop learning. Equip yourself with the right knowledge, tools, and mindset, and you'll be well on your way to building a thriving dropshipping business. Setting up your dropshipping store is easier than you think. Follow these simple steps and you'll be up and running in no time. First, choose your niche. What are you passionate about? What products are in high demand? Once you've identified your niche, select a memorable and catchy store name. This will be your brand identity, so make it count. Next, choose a reliable dropshipping platform like Shopify. Shopify offers user-friendly tools and templates to create a professional-looking online store. Now it's time to add products to your store. Research potential suppliers carefully and select high-quality products that align with your niche. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight the benefits and features of each item. Finally, set up your payment gateway and shipping options. Make sure your store is secure and easy for customers to navigate. Congratulations, you're officially in business. Section 4. Choosing your winning products. Finding the perfect niche for your store. Choosing the right products to sell is crucial for your dropshipping success. This is where niche selection comes into play. A niche is a specific market segment with unique needs and interests. Targeting a niche allows you to focus your marketing efforts and attract a highly targeted audience. When choosing a niche, consider your passions and interests. Selling products you're genuinely interested in will make the entire process more enjoyable and rewarding. Conduct thorough market research to identify profitable niches with high demand and low competition. Look for products with a wow factor, unique, innovative items that solve a specific problem or fulfill a particular need. Consider the profit margin potential of each product. Aim for products with a healthy profit margin to ensure your business remains sustainable. Remember, the key is to find a balance between your passions, market demand, and profitability. By choosing the right niche and products, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving dropshipping business. Section 5. Platform Power. Selecting the ideal e-commerce platform for your business. Your e-commerce platform will be the foundation of your dropshipping store. It's where you'll showcase your products, process orders, and interact with customers. Choosing the right platform is crucial for your business's smooth operation and growth. Shopify is a popular choice for dropshippers due to its user-friendly interface, extensive app store, and robust features specifically designed for e-commerce. It offers a wide range of customizable templates, making it easy to create a professional-looking store without any coding knowledge. Another option is WooCommerce, a powerful plugin that transforms your WordPress website into a fully functional online store. WooCommerce is highly customizable and offers a wide range of extensions and themes to suit your specific needs. Other platforms to consider include BigCommerce, Wix, and Squarespace. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to carefully evaluate your business requirements before making a decision. Consider factors such as pricing, ease of use, scalability, and available features. Choosing the right platform will empower your dropshipping business to thrive and grow. Section 6. Marketing Mastery. Driving traffic and boosting sales for your dropshipping store. Once your store is up and running, it's time to drive traffic and generate sales. This is where marketing comes in. Effective marketing strategies are crucial for attracting customers and building brand awareness. Social media marketing is a powerful tool for reaching your target audience. Create engaging content on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your products and connect with potential customers. Influencer marketing is another effective strategy. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their followers. Paid advertising is a great way to drive targeted traffic to your store. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to create highly targeted campaigns based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Content marketing involves creating and sharing valuable, relevant content to attract and engage your target audience. This could include blog posts, articles, videos, or infographics. Remember, the key to successful marketing is to provide value to your audience. By offering informative, engaging, and shareable content, you'll build trust and credibility, ultimately driving sales and growing your business. Section 7. Turn challenges into triumphs. Your path to dropshipping success. Starting a dropshipping business is an exciting journey filled with opportunities and challenges alike. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Learn from your setbacks, adjust your strategies, and come back stronger. Embrace the power of community. Connect with other dropshippers, join online forums, and seek guidance from experienced mentors. Stay updated on the latest trends and changes in the e-commerce landscape. The world of dropshipping is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is key to staying ahead of the curve. Celebrate your successes along the way. Launching and growing a dropshipping business is a remarkable achievement. Take the time to acknowledge your progress and celebrate your milestones. Now, armed with this knowledge, you're ready to embark on your dropshipping adventure. Embrace the journey, stay committed to your goals, and watch your entrepreneurial dreams take flight.